Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ I'm gonna do a very basic makeup look for Rakshabandan, which is tomorrow. So I wish you all a very happy Rakshabandan. I hope you're gonna celebrate it with your family, your brother. You're gonna eat good food, have a good time. मेरो कपाललाई चाहिँ I tied it behind to cleacherले because अब मैले बान्न त मिल्दैन. My hair is like too short at the moment. So first मा चाहिँ I'm gonna moisturize my face. I've already cleansed it with मेरो snail को cleanser ले. So yeah, I'm gonna moisturize my face now. So moisturize गर्न चाहिँ एकदम important छ. अनि I use this Johnson's Baby को moisturizing cream. And after that you चाहिँ एकदम unusual हो मेरो skincare routine मा. तर I'm gonna use this Derm Ease को under eye cream because मेरो चाहिँ यो राति धेरै screen time भएको हुनाले चाहिँ हल्का puffiness छ. And before I apply any makeup on my eyes or around my eyes, I like to just apply some eye cream so that my eyes are not dry and it's prepped for some makeup. So I just take like a very small amount and I just go round and round. This sunscreen. I'm using this e.l.f. को poreless putty primer. It's a really affordable primer. I have not used it yet, but I know it's gonna be great because I've heard a lot about it. So I'm not gonna like take a lot of the product. I'm just gonna take like a tad bit and see for myself. Like spend a lot of time on your skincare. Jati makeup gare pani, if your skincare is not good enough, your makeup is not gonna look good enough. So make sure you cleanse your face really well, you moisturize, you put your sunscreen, you put your primer, then only you head to your base makeup. So as I say, I think I'm gonna use glitter on my eyelid. So I think I would prefer to do my eyes first and then only jump to my face, because if there's gonna be any fallout, then I can easily wipe it up later. So I'm gonna do my eyes first, and for my eyes I'm gonna like do really simple one crease shade and then one glitter shade and some eyeliner. That's it, that's gonna be it, but it's gonna be great. So let's jump to the eye look. So for my eyes I'm gonna use this Milani Pure Passion eyeshadow palette. As you can see, this is how it looks. So for my eye look, I'm gonna apply some concealer for my base so that the eyeshadow will like show more and the color or the pigmentation will catch on really well. So त्यसको लागि चाहिँ I'm gonna use this Maybelline को concealer, apply some on my lids like this. And set my concealer. So मैले चाहिँ pat गरेर excess उडाइसकेपछि I take this and I just apply it on my crease. Crease भनेको चाहिँ when you do this, हजुरको जहाँनिर यो यस्तो देख्नुहुन्छ नि double lid पर्ने, that's your crease. So just pat it down and apply it only on your crease, न माथि न धेरै मुनि, just crease मा चाहिँ scroll motion मा लैजाने सुरुमा यो windshield जस्तरी. And त्यसपछि चाहिँ if you want you can just buff it in with like a circular motion. Make sure your hands are really soft or it's like loose. Make sure कि हजुरले एकदमै टाइट गर्नु भएको छैन. Let it like free, एकदम flexible छोडिदिनु होला, so that the blending process will be easy. I'm gonna take like a little bit more and make it अलिकति dark. So I've applied this. But say I'm gonna like take a really compact brush like this, यस्तो खाले shape को है. अनि I'm gonna take अलिकति dark tone यो वाला, अनि I'm gonna apply it right here, like just pat the product right there and not move it at all. Like you don't want to move it, okay? You just want to pat your product like so and build up गर्ने मात्र है. You just, now the fun part is we're gonna apply glitter हाम्रो inner corner मा है त. So for glitter I'm gonna use this LA Colors को iced pigment powder in the shade glowing. This is such an affordable and really nice glitter if you are like a beginner and you're looking for some glitter to play around. And this is really good because यसको चाहिँ particle chunky छैन. As you can see, like it's really nice. Wait, I'll show you guys it. I'll show you. Like see, the glitter is like the pigment, the glitter is so subtle, it's not like too over the top. It's just it's wow. So I'm gonna apply it with my hands because glitter say I prefer applying it with my hand because product warm up by when it melt huncha and it's easier to apply. So I'm gonna look over here my mirror ma, but you can see what I'm doing etabata. So I'm gonna take my product and I'm gonna apply it यो बिचको यो अगाडिको यति पार्टमा है, कर्नरमा मात्र है. अनि after that you need to take like your crease blend गरेको brush, take some product, tap it and then just go around it. Makeup eye look is done. I'll show you like a clear. So this is my eye look. Ani I have finished one eye. I'm gonna now apply eyeliner. I'm not gonna apply fake lashes because I never apply fake lashes. If it's like a wedding or something, then only I apply fake lashes. Otherwise I don't prefer like fake lash. I'm gonna use this यस्तो टिप भएको eyeliner. I don't know where this is from because अगाडिको यो मेटिसक्यो, तर it's been with me for a while and this eyeliner is really good. So I'm gonna make like a small wing. You're gonna do that है, wing गर्ने अनि यो माथिको पार्टलाई चाहिँ then connect गरेर यहाँसम्म ल्याउने. That's it. Like connect गरेर ल्याउने and you wanna feel the बिचको पार्टलाई feel गर्ने. Yeah. So now it's okay. So that I'm done with my eyeliner. I will finish my other eye. Eyeliner bhaisakyo, lashes अथवा mascara चाहिँ I'm gonna do at the end. Oh, I need to do my eyebrow. So म चाहिँ मेरो eyebrow I don't do much because I already have like bushy brows. So I have like an eyebrow gel. It's from Benefit. So I just take the gel and just comb my eyebrow like this. Like that's all I do. I just comb my eyebrow with this gel. My foundation, I want it to be a full coverage because it's like an occasion. I want my base to look like flawless, smooth. So I'm gonna use your Maybelline Co Super Stay foundation in 220 natural base. That's my shade. And voila, that's it. So for concealer, I'm gonna again take my Maybelline Co Age Rewind concealer, and then I like to apply my cream contour, which is from LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Mocha, if I'm not wrong. It's a Toast, in the shade Toast. Let it sit for a while, blend गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि, and then I take my यो छोटो सा blender and then I start with my eyes है. I like to set my face one more time किनभने मैले concealer apply गरेको छु, so I want my makeup to stay and not crease. I'm gonna use this Hoola bronzer. It's a really good shade for my skin tone. So agi gareko contour ko mathi bata I'll go very lightly. I'm gonna use your Catrice ko 04 Berry भन्ने blush. मलाई यसको नाम पनि कन्था छ. I love this blush. Like मेरो skin tone ma, any Indian skin tone, brown skin tone, this blush looks so good and it's so affordable. In Nepal, I think I got it for 500 rupee, like 500 rupee, and you get such good quantity of product and quality pani. It's attine amazing. So I really recommend this, and I mostly apply my blush यो area ma, so that my face looks lifted, and baki brush ma baki rako product चाहिँ I just drag it. So just like this. I have this L'Oreal ko glow something highlighter in the shade 01 Sparkling Love. It's a really affordable highlighter and the quantity is like really good. It's 15 ml and you just need a drop of it. Like trust me, not even a drop. You just dot. I'll do one dot is enough because it's a lot of product. Small dot over 2, bigger dot over 1. You'll see later. It's such an amazing product. So second last, I'm gonna apply my lips. So मैले चाहिँ मेरो eye makeup चाहिँ एकदम it's like neutral shade नि त. So I'm gonna wear slightly pink color को lipstick. If your eyes are really heavy or हजुरले चाहिँ you're experimenting with different color in your eye, then make sure your lips are nude है. Make sure it's nude. This is also slightly nude, but it's a bit of pinkish tone eh? So I'm gonna it's a really good product. I bought it from Masala Beats. Mathi say you get like a lip liner, and Muni say you get like a matte lipstick, matte. So I'm gonna line my lips. I don't overdo my lips, I just go through my natural line like so. I have my eyelash curl garne, and then I have this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's full fan effect, but it's really good. I like this product. So I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes really soon. I don't apply fake lashes, so I prefer to curl them up. So now I'm gonna apply my mascara. We're gonna take like a light highlighter shade and we're gonna apply it hamro yo brow bone ma, and then on our inner corner right. Easy 3-step eye makeup look. If I want to, I'll just curl my agadiko hair, I'll wear something traditional, and then I'll show you the final look, like the final transformation right. See you. Ta-da! So I finished. I wore some earrings, I wore some kurti. So lighting is perfect here, as you can see. Eyes and everything done, my hair curled, wearing some jhumki, and then my dress, like my kurti. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys find it useful and you guys like the makeup look that I created with this 3 simple step eye look. So if you guys like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Then until my next video, bye bye, enjoy, happy Rakshabandan, have fun, stay safe, bye.